Okay, hey guys, I got some mail. And this is a reel that I've been anticipating to get. And this is a special reel, all the way from China. Yep. Just came in today. I'm very excited. And guess what it is? It's a Daiwa. It's a Daiwa reel. This reel you can only get in China, okay? You gotta want to get it. And that's how it came in. No tape. Just wrap like that. Daiwa Salamandura. I got the 7 gear ratio. And left-handed. I'm officially left-handed. And this is the spec. Okay, so it came with all this stuff. It's a 7 gear ratio, 7.1 is 6 ounce, as you can see the number, and came with the hyperdrive design. And this is, they said that it's the actual, like similar or actual like copy of like the Tatula 70 SV. But there's a difference to this reel, and the difference about this reel is that the Daiwa 70, it's only 8 ball bearing, and this 9 ball bearing. So you have 1 more ball bearing extra from the Tatula 70, but everything is almost like, I think cosmetically, almost everything similar to the Tatula 70. I don't have the Tatula 70, and I don't think people have it yet. But let's see what's inside. So this will be my first unboxing and my first initial impression of the reel. So I did open the box just to inspect the box if any damage, but I have not seen the reel myself. So it came in with all this schematic in Chinese and Japan. There's all the paperwork. Typical Daiwa, no oil. Okay, so that's just the box, a plain old black box. The Salamandura, it's, instead of the spider, is a salamander. Okay, so it came out like this. And another crispy plastic. So, yes, let's see. Ooh, it's red. It's red blood. That's the Salamandura logo right there. The Cognito Salamandura logo. The exposed dial knob like the Tatula 80 or 70. Pretty sure if whoever gets a 70, it's a 70 spool. But the Salamandura come with the gold accent spool, the gold accent 0 adjuster or tension knob. So it's little bits of gold there on the T-wing. And red knob and the eye-shaped knob instead of the new they use the eye-shaped knob instead of the new Daiwa, I think kind of similar to Shimano Septa knob, but this one's actually the old eye-shaped knob, which Chinese prefer. And oh yeah, and I don't know if the Tatula 70 will have this, but I buy this because I noticed it came with this. Yes. auto drag clicker. So when the fish take it, it'll give you auto sound like a spinning reel. I mean, I have a lot of BFS, so I know how it is. But that's the reason why I got it, besides the color accent. Aesthetically, it's similar. Everything, the design, everything is similar to the Tatula 70. I think this one is made in Thailand as well. Yep, see, so it's made in Thailand. But like I was mentioned earlier, it's exclusive for Chinese market, China market, no American market. So if any of you guys have the Tatula 70, if you guys have the auto drag clicker, that'll be great. If you don't, then that'll be kind of sucks. But yeah, for my first impression, it's pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about these kind of dial, exposed dial, is like sometimes it's kind of like rub it against your finger or your skin. But I kind of got used to it, using for Daiwa is real. When I first got the Daiwa like 100, yeah, I wasn't, the Tatula Daiwa 100, I wasn't too pleased with the feeling of the exposed dial here, but I kind of got used to it. And plus, this is the frame of the Alpha. So if any of you guys use the Alpha SV, this is the frame. The only difference is that the Alpha have the dial on the bottom, and this one has the dial exposed on the side. So that's about it. And yeah, that's my initial expression. Oh, and my use of this reel, I don't really know when I'm going to use it yet, but I'll get back to you guys on that. But yeah, it's a very nice, clean reel, and besides the color and the jack clicker, then it's just a Daiwa Tatula 70. That's it. Yep. So here's one more view for you guys, and let me know what you guys think. And oh yes, this one is much cheaper than the Daiwa Tatula 70. Just so you know, so you guys know. I think that's one of the reasons why I bought it too, instead of waiting for the Tatula 70. I bought this because on Tech Warehouse, the Tatula 70 is priced at $229 or $220, I think. I don't remember, but you guys could correct me on that. And yeah, so that's the Daiwa Salamandura SV TW 70, the left-handed model. So, thank you.